What's up, YouTube? MX Dude back at it again with another video. Alright, so just received my aftermarket pinion covers, my scrambler. Yeah, that little thing. Actually pretty cheap. And that guy, he actually built them from Canada. Nova Scotia, my friend. Bolt-on unit, come with seal, the new bearing. Look how thick it is. The other one is probably half that size, half that thickness, 1/3. Coming with all the new bolt, lock washers. It's actually well built. Really thick, like I said. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you where I got it. I bought that thing on eBay. Guys sell them really cheap. $100, just $18.50 shipping. That's Canadian. So if you're American there, buy it. It's gonna be really cheap for you. See, freaking thing crack. You don't want that to happen. Expensive fix. See? That doesn't look good at all. Oh my god. Really cheap. See, it say fit the Sportman from 2015 to 2018 and all scrambler. 850, 1000 to 2013. All this carry. It's gonna fit all scrambler. Whoa. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get that thing installed. It's next week. By Friday it should be installed. Gonna get it installed by the dealer so I don't fuck my warranty up. But anyway, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys on another video. Bye bye.